In this tutorial, I will show you how to install the GridVis Desktop and Service. To download the GridVis, go to our website gridvis.com. Click on Downloads. Before installation, check whether your system meets the system requirements. You call up the system requirements via this button. In the upper area, you can see the current release. Since version 8.0.82, we offer an installer that installs both the GridVis Desktop and Service. This also allows multiple instances to be installed on one PC and run there simultaneously. With the installer, you update your GridVis installation independently. Support from Janitza is not necessary. Download the current installer. The installation file is now completely downloaded. Execute it. Depending on your system, you may need administrator rights to do this. The installation is being prepared. Read the license agreement carefully. You must accept the agreement to proceed with the installation. Choose between a typical and a custom installation. Custom installation allows you to deviate from the preset default configuration. Specify which directory the GridVis should be installed to. Give the installation a name. This name must be unique and used only once to distinguish parallel installations from each other. Parallel installations allow you to divide your devices among multiple installations to distribute the computing load. If you want to install only one of the service or desktop components, you can deselect the other component. For a full installation, leave all checkboxes selected. Then select the language in which the GridVis is to be installed. In the web interface, each user can set their own language. Next, you can define the maximum amount of working memory available to the components. Please note the system requirements of the GridVis for this. Define in which directory the configuration of the GridVis is to be saved. Project data is saved in an individual directory. Set the port for the GridVis service. By default, port 8080 is used. Make sure that in parallel installations, each installation uses its own port. Finally, set whether the GridVis should be added to the Start menu and whether a shortcut should be created on the desktop. Start the installation. After installation, the service needs a moment to start. Open the list of services in the Task Manager. Here you will find the GridVis service. The service is displayed in the list with the name you assigned during installation. This makes it easy to distinguish between services running in parallel. You can restart the service via the context menu. To check if the service is fully started, click the given link. The web interface opens. If this is accessible, the GridVis service has started. At the top right, you have the option to log in. The default access uses the username admin and the password Janitza. Change the password when you log in for the first time. Start the GridVis via the shortcut that was created during installation. You can see from the running GridVis Desktop that the installation has been completed successfully. Next, you need a Janitza ID with a license, and you need to create a project to start working with a GridVis. These topics are covered in other tutorials, which you can find in the video description. Thank you for your interest in this tutorial. For more information, please visit wiki.janitza.de.